What's up, guys? Brian from SLG Concrete Coatings at it again. We're out here in Santa Maria where we're working on a very large pool deck. Don't have the exact square footage. I will put it right about down here. And yeah, it's looking good. The guys are doing some grinding, getting things set up. We're gonna check out some more, so check out the footage. Guys a little peek at what it looks like after the guys just got done putting the mender down, and show you a little bit about kind of what we're working with on this project, and then you'll get to see what's going to be happening next. It's crazy. This one needed a lot of repair, but the guys are killing it and it's looking really solid. So check this out. Just check out the photos, the video. It's craziness. It's gonna look awesome when it's done. We're stoked. Story short, you got cracks and you got pitting, we got you. Alright, so the guys are putting the base coat down, getting ready for the chip. This is where the fun stuff happens. Let's check this out. Come on, let's check it out.